The ZeroKor portable power station arrives as an all-in-one kit featuring a 300W inverter and a 60W foldable solar panel. It is designed for simple, off-grid power needs during short camping trips or outdoor outings. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this station performs across typical real-world outdoor scenarios. Its compact physical footprint makes it easy to transport and store in a crowded vehicle or tent. It effectively handles essential small electronics like smartphones and LED lighting throughout your camping experience. Having the solar panel included in the box provides a convenient, immediate way to keep the battery topped off outdoors. The modest wattage ceiling means this device is not designed to run power-hungry tools or kitchen appliances. The unit shines in portability for light use cases, though users should respect the output limits for larger appliances. We analyzed if the bundle pricing aligns with the actual ownership experience. Shipping the power station with a dedicated panel adds immediate value for beginners avoiding separate purchases. The selection of ports and the overall form factor provide a solid utility-to-price ratio for campers. Brand longevity and long-term customer support are less established compared to the major players in the power station market. You gain significant value from the bundled solar panel, but must weigh the price against the uncertainty of a generic brand. Consider these potential risks before deciding on this power unit. Accessing long-term warranty or troubleshooting support can be less straightforward with newer or smaller marketplace sellers. With a smaller total capacity, users will need to manage their power consumption closely during extended off-grid trips. While the price is attractive, it is vital to keep an eye on discounts from established brands during sales events. The risks involve limited runtime for demanding gear and the potential challenges of dealing with less visible brand support. The ZeroKor bundle is a functional choice for those needing an entry-level solar solution without significant upfront costs. It excels at portability and convenience for light devices. However, if you require dependable long-term support or have higher power demands, it is the main thing to compare against more established competitors before making a final commitment.